Want a drone that flies like a pro but doesn't burn your wallet? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best budget drones packed with 4K to 8K cameras, GPS precision, and obstacle avoidance, all at prices you'll love. Stay tuned, because drone number 1 is a total performance beast. Today, we're diving into budget-friendly drones that deliver pro-level performance, stable flight, and amazing video quality perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and even advanced flyers who want more for less. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. 600 Lira Pro Max. The 600 Lira Pro Max is one of the best budget drones in 2025, featuring a 4K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and 5 km flight range. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance ensures safe flights even in tight spaces, and the brushless motors provide quiet, stable lift. Product reviews. Users say it offers smooth flight controls and stable 4K video, often comparing it to drones twice its price. Pros: 4K HD dual camera setup, 3-axis gimbal for steady footage, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, long 5 km flight range, brushless motors for reliable performance. Number 2. V168 Max Drone. The V168 Max drone pushes the limits of budget drones. It comes with dual 8K cameras, 5G GPS connectivity, and a foldable design that's both durable and portable. It's perfect for aerial photographers who want cinematic quality without spending thousands. Product reviews. Buyers praise its long-distance stability and clear 8K footage, calling it one of the best value GPS drones of 2025. Pros: dual 8K HD cameras, 5G GPS with auto return home, 5 km long-range connectivity, foldable, travel-friendly body, brushless motors for strong, stable flight. Number 3. Potensic C0. The Potensic C0 is designed for those who want portability and performance. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, yet it delivers 4K video, GPS stabilization, and a 4 km control range. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, and beginners. Product reviews. Users love how easy it is to fly, calling it the perfect beginner drone with pro-grade camera quality. Pros: lightweight, under 249 grams, no registration needed. 4K video quality with single-axis gimbal. 4 km flight range. GPS return to home and smart flight modes. Ideal for beginners and travelers. Number 4. SG-109 Pro Max. The SG-109 Pro Max is a compact yet powerful drone with a 4K HD camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. It includes a large-screen remote controller that streams your live footage directly. The GPS module keeps the drone stable and returns it automatically when the battery is low. Product reviews. Reviewers highlight its stable hover and clear real-time video feed, making it perfect for content creators on a budget. Pros: 4K camera with 5G FPV live view, GPS auto return home, large screen controller, compact, foldable build, long battery life and smooth performance. Number 5. V168 Pro Max. The V168 Pro Max brings premium drone performance at a fraction of the cost. It features 8K resolution, dual cameras, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance for safer, smoother flight. Its foldable brushless design makes it great for outdoor adventures. Product reviews. Customers love the sharp image clarity and responsive controls, calling it one of the most advanced drones under $300. Pros: 8K HD dual cameras, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, 5G Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, foldable and portable build, long flight range and strong stability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget drones of 2025. Each of these drones delivers professional level flight control, crystal clear video, and smart features, all without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next tech review. Thanks for watching and happy flying.